girls. I am asking you some questions regarding to chapter number 3, understanding a quadrilateral. Right? Okay, first of all, giving me the definition of diagonal. What is diagonal? Please tell me. Delisha, Tanzil, Khan and Sakina, Tathir, Zainab, Najma. Yes, girls, tell me. What is the meaning of diagonal? How can we define diagonal? Girls,
If two non consecutive points are joined, then it is known as diagonal.
very good. Absolutely, it is correct. If we join two non-consecutive points, it is known as diagonal. For example, in a quadrilateral, you can see here, for example, it is one type of quadrilateral, okay, in which 1, 2, 3, and 4 different vertices are there, in which you can see for 1, if you consider 1, 2, and 4, these 2 points are consecutive, right? But 3 is non-consecutive. If you are joining the 1 and 3, it is make a diagonal. Are you get it, all of you? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, Delisha, what is the work of diagonal in a polygon?
It connect two non-consecutives of a
No
poly.
beta, it is the definition of diagonal. What is the work? You can see here we are drawing one diagonal 1 3 in a quadrilateral. So you can clearly see these two triangles we're getting two triangle. Okay. So what is the simple work of a diagonal? Diagonal divides any polygon in equal triangle. What is the work of diagonal?
Diagonal divides any polygon in equal.
Diagonal divides any polygon in equal triangle, right?
Yes.
Okay, for example, I am giving you another example. You can see here, we have a lot of shape here. For example, it is pentagon. Why? Because it is five vertices, in which one, two, three, four, and five. If you consider one, so two and five, these 2 points are consecutive, three and four are non-consecutive. So if you want to draw diagonal, we have to connect one, three, and one, four. Now you can see whenever you draw these two diagonals, you get three different triangles. First triangle, second triangle, and third triangle. These three triangles are equal in area. Okay? Are you get it?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, now Tathir, tell me, angle sum of pentagon. Tathir, Tathir, where are you? Tathir,
Yes, sir.
yes, tell me, angle sum of pentagon. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The five vertices means it is pentagon. Okay. If you want to find the angle sum of this pentagon, how can we find? Hello? Any other girls?
Sir,
Okay, any other girls? Tanzil?
54
Tanzil.
degree. 54
Correct?
degree. 54 degree.
No, beta. It is wrong. Angle sum, beta. Angle sum.
Sir, may I, sir? Say
Yes, yes.
540 degree.
Very good. Excellent. 540 degree. Why? Please see here. In a pentagon, there are three triangles, and the angle sum of triangle is 180 degree into 3. Means 18 3s are 54 and 1 0. 540 degree. If you want to find the angle sum of any polygon, first of all, you have to divide a polygon in an equal triangle. Okay, and then what we have to do? We are doing 180 degree angle sum of triangle into how many triangle we get in a pentagon, in a polygon. We have to multiply it. Are you get it?
Yes.
For example, again I am taking one another example, hexagon. We have a hexagon here. Okay, in which there are six vertices, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. If you consider 1, so 2 and 6 are consecutive. Okay, so if you want to draw a diagonal, your diagonal is 1 3 1 4 and 1 5. Okay, so I am drawing diagonal 1 3 1 4 and 1 5. Okay, now you can see how many triangle we get: 1 2 3 and 4. So if you want to find the angle sum of pentagon, what we have to do? Angle sum of triangle is 180 degree into 4 triangle.
Into
So what
4.
is your answer? 720
720
degree.
degree.
Are you get it now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, Tanzil.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me the properties of parallelogram. How can we define parallelogram? Tell me.
Maybe Janam, sir.
What?
I don't know.
You don't know. Why? Are you absent in last lecture?
Yes, sir.
Why?
No, sir. Because I'm in Iran, so I wake up at 6 a.m. So I don't
So
know
after
as I
after that, you can you don't see the lecture from YouTube?
नहीं सर यहाँ पे टाइम नहीं मिलता यहाँ पे 5 बजे से
Okay,
मगरिब
so
हो
please
जाती
revise this chapter again, Tanzil.
है ओके
In your WhatsApp group, there are so many link about chapter number 3. Okay,
ओके
so you
ओके
get a link already. So please check and do practice of this chapter.
ओके
Okay, Najma. Najma.
Sir, she is Alfina Solanki.
Yes, Alfina. Alfina. Where are you, Alfina?
so she will not open her mic
Alpesh sir. Alpesh sir.
જી સર બોલો
સર એક બી ગર્લ્સ છે ને આન્સર નથી આપતી તેવું હોય ને તો એને રિમૂવ કરી દો.
લેફ્ટ કરી દો ઓકે ઓકે નો પ્રોબ્લેમ કરી દઉં છું
ઓકે અલ્વીરા. અલ્વીરા.
Alvira is not in the meeting
So it is click shoot. Who is this?
sorry
Yes, sir,
Alvira.
she is there.
Alvira I know
Alvira, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta. Tell me the properties of parallelogram.
Sir, actually, I was not present in that lecture.
Okay, but then after, can you not don't see the lecture from YouTube?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir,
Please
actually, there was.
remember one thing. If you don't present in a lecture, in this Google Meet live lecture, after that the lecture will upload in YouTube. Okay. And the YouTube lectures link we are daily sending in your WhatsApp group. So please check it and complete your lecture from YouTube. Right.
Hmm.
Okay, Delisha, tell me. Delisha,
Yes, sir.
yes, tell me the properties of parallelogram.
And in that, the opposite angles of a parallelogram are of equal measure.
Okay,
Then
then,
opposite sides are equal.
okay, then,
The adjacent angles in a parallelogram are supplementary.
okay, then,
The diagonals of like a parallelogram bisect each other.
very good, excellent. For example, it is your parallelogram in which you can see one, two, three, and four. Four vertices are there in which the angle 1 and angle 3 this is opposite angles and these are equal in measure and 2 and 4 are equal. Okay, one another thing, the opposite sides are also equal. Okay, for example 2 3 and 1 4 sides are equal, 1 2 and 3 4 these two sides are also equal. Okay, now you can see the adjacent angle. Adjacent angle means neighborhood angle. Okay, so 1 and 4 are neighbor, adjacent. So these two angles are supplementary. And what is the meaning of supplementary? Supplementary means the sum of these two angles is 180-degree, right? And one another property is regarding to diagonal, 1 and 3 diagonal, 2 and 4 are diagonal. These two diagonals are bisect each other, means it is divided in an equal part whenever they intersect. Okay, so these four properties of parallelogram you have to remember. I am asking you in your FA3 exam any properties regarding to parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium, square, rectangle, kite, any other thing. Okay. Okay, now tell me the properties of kite. Con and Sakina. Con and Sakina,
Yes, sir.
just tell me the properties of kite.
Adjacent sides are triangle, rectangle, sorry, equal.
No, 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 no. Adjacent side of?
Sides are equal, rectangle.
No, it is not rectangle, it is kite. The adjacent sides are equal, right?
So can I?
Yes, AC and BD bisects each other at perpendicular.
Very good, very good. Then only
Then I
one
don't
pair
know,
of
sir.
opposite angles are equal. Okay, there are three properties of kite you can see here. For example, it is one type of kite in which you can see one, two, three, four are vertices. Here, adjacent sides are equal. It means 1, 2 and 1, 4 are equal. 2, 3 and 3, 4 are equal. These two angle 2 and angle 4, only one pair of opposite angles are equal. Means 2 and 4 are equal. One another thing, for the diagonal, you can see here the diagonal 2 and 4 and diagonal 1, 3 are bisect, sorry, not bisect, it is intersect at perpendicular means it make 90-degree angle. Are you get it? Are you get it?
Yes.
Again, I am revising the properties of kite. Please see here. The adjacent sides are equal. It means 1, 2 and 1, 4 are equal. And 2, 3 and 3, 4 are equal. Angle 2 and angle 4. Only one pair of opposite angles are equal. It means angle 2 and angle 4 are equal. Right? And one another thing, the diagonal intersect at perpendicular means it's make 90-degree angle. I hope you all are clearly understood all these properties, right?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, then tell me the property of square. Okay, properties of square. Tell me.
Means it includes all the property of parallelogram.
Very
Means
good.
like rhombus, rectangle, then parallelogram.
Okay. Okay, square including parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, kite, and trapezium. All other quadrilateral is like as as square because of the all the properties of a parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, kite, and trapezium are fulfilled by this square. I'm giving you a simple example. Please see here. You can see here we are just now study about the properties of parallelogram and kite. We can see here square is fulfilled these two properties. First of all, the properties of parallelogram. What is the properties of parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal. So you can see in a square, opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. So opposite angles are also equal. You can see. Diagonal bisect each other. So in a square, diagonal bisect each other. It means the properties of parallelogram are fulfilled by the square. Okay. Now you can see the properties of kite. In a kite, adjacent sides are equal. So here you can see this side and this sides are equal. So this is one pair, and on the other hand, this also this pair are equal. Adjacent pair are equal, right? Then only one pair of opposite angles are equal. So you can see here only one pair of opposite angles are equal, and diagonal intersect at perpendicular. So if you want to draw the diagonal of a square, it is perpendicular. Okay, it means square fulfill all the other quadrilaterals like trapezium, parallelogram, kite, square, rectangle, rhombus, and all other. Are you getting the properties of this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, either Mahek Sheikh, Mahek
Yes,
Sheikh.
it's Muskan Sheikh.
Okay, Muskan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, better tell me the sum of interior plus exterior angle. Sum of interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to.
180 degree.
Very good. Now tell me, now tell me if you want to find the exterior angle, sum of exterior angle in any polygon. What is your answer? Mahek, or sorry, Muskan.
It will be 180 minus.
No, please remember my question. If you want to find the sum of exterior angle in any polygon, what is your answer?
The sum of two interior angle into
No,
exterior
beta, it's
angle.
not interior. it is exterior angle, sum of exterior angle only. For example, I am giving you example, you can see here. Here it is triangle, right? In which you can see clearly there are three exterior angle. Okay, now tell me, if you want to find the sum of these three exterior angle, what is your answer?
Sir, don't know.
Okay, any other girls? Any other girls? कौन है सकीना?
और सर क्या?
What is the sum of exterior angle in any polygon?
It's sum of exterior angle.
A very simple question, yeah.
So sum of two angle is equal to 180 degree.
No, there is a no.
Sir, we have to add 3L, XYZ and
Let me clear one thing. Please see here. Sum of exterior angle in any polygon. What is the meaning of polygon? It may be triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, and decagon. Okay, so sum of exterior angles of a triangle, of a quadrilateral, of a pentagon, of a hexagon, and so on is only 360 degree. Please remember this thing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm taking one another example so you can clearly understood about this. For example, it is one type of quadrilateral. If you want to find the sum of exterior angle, what we have to do? Please see here. There is first exterior angle, there is second exterior angle, there is third, and there is fourth. So if you want to find the sum of this exterior angle of a quadrilateral, what is your answer? It is 360 degree. Right?
yes.
1 minute. See here in your textbook, so you can clearly understood about this. We are solving some questions regarding to this concept, but you are not remembering right now. So please see here. Okay, now see here. Question number 7, please see. In first figure, the triangle is given. We have to find x, y, and z. The sum of x plus y plus z. Now tell me, x plus y plus z, it is the sum of exterior angle, right? So what is your answer? Girls?
360. 360.
Very good, 360 degree. And you can see in second figure, one quadrilateral is given in which x, y, z, and w. These four angles are exterior angle. And if you want to find the sum of this exterior angle, what is your answer?
360 degree.
360
Very
degree.
good. It is 360 degree. And on the basis of this theory, we are solving some questions in 3.2. Okay, you can see find x in the following figure. Okay, in which two exterior angle are given, 125 degree and 125 degree. And we have to find x. So we know that the sum of exterior angle is 360 degree. So it means 125, 125, 125 degree, 125 degree plus x is equal to the sum of exterior angle is 360 degree. So 125 plus 125, 250 plus x is equal to 360 degree. And if you want to find x, we have to subtract 250 So x is equal to, your answer is 110 degree. Yes or no?
Yes.
Please
Yes.
revise exercise. You are not revising right now. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it is your chapter number 3.
But sir,
Yes.
that one some I did from no, like different methods.
Yes, tell me.
Okay, wait a minute.
Yes, tell me.
Okay. In that 125 plus m, the no, like interior part, 125 plus m equal 180. Then
Exactly.
m equal 180 minus 125 equal
Okay.
550. Sorry, 50. 550.
Okay, it is 55, right?
Yes, 55. Sorry.
Okay.
And 125 plus n, again equal 180, linear pair. Then
Okay.
n equal 180 minus 1 minus 125. Then
Okay.
equal 55 again. So no,
Okay.
m and n both how to say, both
Okay. 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 Okay.
interior
One
is
thing.
same.
You can see in a figure and tell me. Okay. The interior angle, first of all, you are finding it is 55 degree, right? So it is 55 degree. Again, this angle is 55 degree. Now what
Yes,
we have to
yeah.
do?
Now exterior angle, x square equal sum of opposite interior angles. Then x equal
Exactly.
55 plus 55 equal
55.
110.
Exactly. It is 110. Very good.
Yes, yes.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Very good. Good. Okay,
Then
now
so
are
is
you
it right?
understanding the concept of exterior angle? Yes or no? Okay,
Sir, this method is right. I told you that
exactly
one.
right. Exactly right, beta. Exactly right. Okay. Now, Alvira. Alvira,
Yes, sir.
where are you, Alvira? Can you
Yes,
hear me?
sir.
Okay. Now, please read these properties of a parallelogram.
Opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Diagonals bisects
One another.
one another. Rhombus.
Very good. Now, rhombus. Please read.
All the properties of a parallelogram.
Okay.
Diagonals are perpendicular to each other.
Okay.
Rectangle. Rectangle. All the properties of a parallelogram. Each of the angles is a right angle. Diagonals are equal.
Very good. Now you can see square.
All the properties of parallelogram, rhombus, and a rectangle.
Please remember this sentence for the square, especially for the square. Square having all the properties of a parallelogram, rhombus, and rectangle. Okay? So please remember this sentence. Now, kite, tell me.
The diagonals are perpendicular to one another. One of
Okay?
the diagonal bisects the other. In the
Okay?
figure, M angle B is equal to M angle D, but M angle A, M angle C.
Okay, measure angle A is not equal to measure angle C. It is the sign of not equal. Okay?
Not equal.
Very good. Alvira, now you have to remember this all the properties. So why I am just now read by you.
Sure.
Okay.
Sir, you are going to ask this type of properties of kite,
Yeah,
properties of
exactly,
rectangle.
exactly, exactly. Okay, so please remember this all the properties. Okay, girls. Now in chapter number 12, it is very easy chapter. So please do the practice of this chapter. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Who is Kamal Impacts?